What?
Oh, nice.
You're done.
Oh, hell no.
Damn.
Let's go. Finish Buster.
Oh, them boys boxing, Ben. I don't know. You might be outclassed.
I know. Yeah, I know. I'll be back. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Oh my.
Stall him out, dude.
Oh my god.
I saw my shit.
What? Oh my fuck.
I think it's I hit you for. Who the fuck are you?
Gotcha.
Damn, you fucking covered up that bitch fast. Oh, okay, I see the time on that. Oh, fuck, I didn't do that. Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
Damn, I'm actually impressed. That was good. What the fuck?
You bore me.
Come out of here, bud.
What
Papa!
If you are selling life insurance and you're not doing this, you are absolutely insane. The biggest opportunity in the insurance.
Come on.
Y'all boys actually boxing.
No, nigga, I'm timing that shit.
Here goes.
Uh-oh. Nice block. Nice teleport. What the? Who is this?
Oh my god.
Dad's actually listening, man. That nigga not old, bro.
They gotta pay attention for real.
What the fuck?
He hit you.
Hey!
That's a move.
I thought I blocked her.
Nigga, oh my god, I'm timing those.
Here goes.
No!
No, not that hoe.
That
Fuck.
nigga says, I sensed it. My skin to say you have the power to beat Dylan. Just let go.
Oh, bro.
That's
Fuck,
all
that's.
right?
No, I got one more nigga.
Oh. That's your best bet right there, nigga. If you mark that nigga, you won. Dylan, you gonna fight Leland?
Go easy.
Huh?
You gonna fight Leland?
Fight Leland. Oh, what the fuck?
You so fucking scary. Nah, yeah, Leland really goes. Yeah, I think.
Fuck. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, we team.
Oh my god. That nigga dodged my shit to dodge my shit.
Oh shit.
Hmm?
Chat just brought up a good point.
What?
Oh my god.
Shut your mouth.
No, stop. Oh my god. This should be happening so quick, nigga.
That's the one
You
I
rushing
don't know.
fast.
Chat, stop trying to gaslight me in a fight, bro.
Oh shit.
Nigga, Trunks, work your ass out.
Oh my fuck. God damn, nigga, quick.
Like I said.
Bro, did I even kill anybody, bro?
To me from now
Wait, did he have two people, Dylan? Or just one?
Yeah.